you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on a memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Hello people, how are we today? And let's turn this down a bit. And maybe skip this song. Okay. Yeah, skip like that. How are we all doing today? And let's get this to this mode. And whoa, okay, let's get you back to normal. That. And let's move my face back up here. How are we all today? We are going to be doing some web design. Okay, sorry about that. Now we want then tap off, and we want nope, wrong one. You've got to be kidding me. I haven't got this here. I have not got it there. Okay, give me a second. technical difficulties already. Yeah. So that. That down, 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 down. Above that. Okay. And we're good. Welcome, welcome, welcome to all of you people. Today, web design. We're going to be starting from scratch, meaning we're going to be doing the wireframe first. We're first going to figure out what kind of website we're going to do. I'm thinking more of a gaming website. This is going to be a template, not a template-based driven website. Now, a template-based driven website, let me show you quickly my own website. This is my website. And it will load. Now, my website I made in the beginning of when I was first started web design, and I started with template-based driven stuff. So I decided to learn HTML. So instead of template-based driven websites, I'll show you now when it actually gets to where it's supposed to. Okay, so the problem with template-based driven websites is they're not responsive. Some. I can't say that all of them aren't. I can only say that the websites that I've come across that have been built with templates have actually been not responsive. What responsive is you take a phone, for instance, and you look up the website. You look up the website, and then half the time you see exactly what you're seeing here with mine. It's cut off. It has cut off most of the things. There are supposed to be a lot more categories. What we offer, we go into what we offer, and this is what I come back with. It's cut off half of the stuff that I already have there. If we go here, you'll be able to see that there is more to the page than actually is when it's in small screen. So we're not going to be focusing on this kind of template. We're going to make our own template with HTML and Bootstrap. I didn't like Bootstrap when I first started using it. I didn't see the use of it, but when it was explained more to me and the setting it was explained in, I started understanding that you need Bootstrap for mobile first design. Mobile first design is responsiveness. So this is my website. If you follow me on YouTube, you'll know that I am currently revamping my website. So I am now starting from scratch, pure scratch. I've now done the wireframe for it. I've finished the wireframe, and that took quite a while, finishing that kind of wireframe. It depends on the kind of website that you're doing, how big the wireframe is going to be. If it's a big website, then it's probably going to take quite a lot longer. However, mine took about an hour and a half to make. You go onto YouTube, you'll see the video, but it all depends on the size of the website, what all has to go into the website. So we're gonna make a gaming website. We're gonna make a gaming website on stream. But first, we're gonna have to find out what kind of gaming website we're gonna want to go for. It depends on the type of person you are as well, the type of gamer you are. Or it doesn't matter if it's a gaming website or a normal website, like, let's go for instance, a business page website or a cooking website. So let's search for a cooking web. right? Okay, let's see. Now, I've studied both web design and web development, so I can do both front end and back end. A web designer designs the look of the website. However, a web developer designs the functionality of the website. So I was lucky enough to have studied both web design and web development. However, I did not finish my web development courses. I did finish my web design courses. Web design stuck out more for me because I actually don't know why it stuck out more for me. Probably because of my character. But let's take a look at this. Oh, .co.za as well. Nice. Okay, come on. Excuse the lagging. It's trying to do music and stream and go on the internet. So let's turn this down a bit. Okay. So this is a cooking website apparently. Oh, recipes and things like that. So as you can see, there's different tabs, but on each page there might be, see, check the layout. Now each page has a different layout depending on what the page is offering. So wow. Okay. So you can have more than one I saw one now. More than one link in, yeah, here we go. More than one link in that link. So it's a drop down link. So you have different links within that link. So what I'm planning to do is we're going to make a gaming website. So first we're going to, as I said, figure out what kind of gaming website we're going to want to do. So depends on the gamer. So if I was making it for myself, I would do fantasy. Now, having a fantasy website, there's a problem with that. So it could be either fantasy, mystical, or what is the other? There are different kinds of gaming websites as well. There's group gaming websites, or there's a singular player website. So I want to, okay, let's actually make a folder. We don't want to go into videos. We want to go into programs. We want to go into documents. So we want to go into, and then my website. There we go. So we're going to make a new folder. I am not sure what we're going to call it yet. Right now we're just going to call it new folder. Or we could just say gaming templates. Or however you spell the damn thing. However it's spelled. So then we're going to go in here. We're going to make a new text document. And we're going to say description. Okay, so what we want, let's open it. So what's most important is the layout, the colors, the font that is used. You do not want people to go onto your website and look at it and they're like, do I really want to stay on here? And also, the most important thing is about the time as well, the time that it takes to load your page. If it takes long, your bounce rate will skyrocket. A bounce rate is the people that come onto your website and automatically, if they're not happy, they leave. So what you want is you want something when they come in, you want it to load fast. You also want it to catch their eye. So it can either happen one of two ways: the font or the background color or background picture. It's basically stuff to draw the person in, wanting them to see more of the website and what you have to offer. So what we want to do, we want to first, how many pages are we going to have? So a normal website would have plus minus 5 to 7 pages. That is including your home page and your contact page. The other pages are whatever you want them to be. But the two main things is your home page and your contact page. So what are we going to have? We're going to have, I say we're going to have 5. We're going to have 5 links in the nav bar. Now, what a nav bar is on top of every website you have. Let me show you again. Let's go. This is the nav bar. As you can see, I've got I think it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there might be one more there. Yeah, so that's actually 7. Sorry, I've got like 4 black dots on my screen that you guys can't see, but I can. So it's kind of hard to look around it. So that's why sometimes I'm looking here, because I can see how many I've got here. So we want 5 links in our nav bar. So one will be the home page. So that will be home. Then we want, let's say, video clips. Okay, so we got 2. Contact page I am going to put at 5. Now what the contact page is going to have, it's also going to have, the links to your YouTube channel, your Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you want to link it to. It's going to have all those links in it. It's also going to have the ways to contact the people, whether it be email, phone number. It's basically up to them what they want. Okay, so we've got home, video clip, contact, let's say merch, if that's how you spell merch. Let's do merch. One more. I need one more. Home, video clips, merch. Because under home, I'm also going to put the about us. So how about let's make this for a group of people. So we go the group. Okay. So home. Let's go here. Under home, we are going to have the following. We're going to have the about us, or what we're about, anything like that. Maybe some pictures of the team. We'll come back to what else under that. Video clips is self-explanatory. We can have a bunch of video. We could also actually have like screenshots, things like that, but no, I don't think so. Then under the group, we're going to have players. So player 1 with a short little description underneath it. And if you click on player 1, it will, I want it to go into another page, which will be his bio, for instance. Another page, bio. And that's the same for that's the same for all the other people in the team that you have. So if it's a 5-group team, you'll have 5. If it's a 4-group team, 4, so on and so forth. Then merch is also self-explanatory. We'll have we'll do the same as the groups. We'll have a picture, then we have a description underneath. Bear in mind this will not be linked up to any pages, so but we will be condensing pictures into smaller versions so it's easier to load. Because sometimes with high definition photos, if they are too high definition, they'll take a longer time to load. So what you want to do is you want to scale it down. If it's a PNG, you want to scale it down, because the PNG is lossless compression, so you won't lose any of the quality of the picture if you shrink it or if you increase the size of the picture. So that is what I want to do. Is I want to put like they call a thumbnail. So thumbnail, description, you click on it, it will pop open and you'll be able to see the full picture, full description, and then you can add it to a cart or things like that. So we'll also have to make that page. But then we'll also have to make an error page. So let's go down here. Error page. Don't ask me why, all websites have it. It's in case one link is broken and it will automatically take to the error page. As I said, that's the person who normally links things like that up is most possibly a web developer, sorry. But as I am a web developer as well, I will be doing most of the stuff by myself. But it's basically now then finding all the images that go with it, and the fonts, and all of that stuff, the layout. So merch will be the same, and then the contact page. Now the contact page is going to I want to do a split. So you'll have your links on the one side and maybe your email address on the other if you wanted to email to the team email address or your manager's email address. So that's basically what we're going to have. Contact on that. Spell today. Can't spell today at all. So contact, merch. Okay, so we've got the basic idea, we've got the basic layout of what we want. Now I haven't got a proper wireframe program, so what I'm using at the moment is something called Pencil. Pain in my backside, to be honest. So we go here and document. Okay, when it opens, let's resize this. Resize canvas. Oh no. Okay, let's not do that. Let's go into pages, and we're making this a new page. So gamers site. Okay, and then we want to normal web page. Create I want to delete this page. Delete. Okay. So now we've got a blank canvas to work from. And it will actually do what I want it to do. Okay. So here are all the things that I've got to work with. Basic web elements, all that stuff. Okay. Let's go back here. And I want a rectangle. Come on. Cool. So this is going to be the nav bar. Are you going to do what I want you to do? Thank you. And we're going to go here. Size. This is the nav bar. It actually depends on what kind of look you're going for as well. So set this up. Cool. That's going to be the nav bar. Now, what I could do is I could have two different kinds of things to draw people in right now. That would either be a carousel or a jumbotron. Now, what a carousel is, let's just see if I can find it here. Come on. Oh, then it's open a new page. Google. Okay. So, HTML carousel. As you can see, I've searched it quite a few times to actually build it. That is why there's an extension on my web browser called Grepper Chrome extension. What it basically is, it's for both web designers and web developers. They both sides use it. It's whether you're looking for a code and you've forgotten it and you really want to remember what it is. So in case you forget it again, there's a program that was made by developers and programmers that is called Grepper. So okay, I was going to say, for instance, there's a picture that pops, there's a little icon that pops up there, you click it and it adds it to your Grepper Chrome extension. So this one doesn't have that, which I'm surprised about. Okay, but this is basically a carousel. If my web page would move, okay, there. So that's a carousel. You have a few pictures, they roll across. Now a jumbotron is this. You can go back, please. It will be much appreciated. Thank you. Okay, jumbotron. Jumbo. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. See, this is Grepper working. It takes what the user wants, what the user is looking for, and if someone else has already added it to their Grepper, it will automatically come up on a person who has Grepper as well. So this person has also searched for it quite a numerous amount of times. That's why he or she has marked it with Grepper. There are a lot of codes for both web designers and web developers. Any developer actually to memorize, and it's quite hard. You know, that's why there are these sites to help us remember some of the things that we already know. Let's go. Yes, I'm looking for HTML jumbotron. Oh, it's from jumbotron. There we go. If it will load, come on. Okay. most of the stuff you're seeing now is Bootstrap related, so it was actually something that had to learn. It's not like something I really didn't want to learn it in the beginning, but it's something that looks like I had to learn either way. So this is what a Jumbotron looks like. You can add a background cover to it. You can add, as you can see, text to it. So if you have a very eye-catching photo and you say like welcome to our site or welcome to blank, whatever the group's name is, and it's an eye-catching photo, they'll want to stay on your website. But not only that, if it's also an eye-catching font as well. Now, something to remember: you cannot, when you're doing a website, it's the same for the normal designers out there who use Illustrator and things like that. You cannot use too many fonts and too many colors in your website. You've got to stick to a theme. What colors, blues, reds, whites, and you can have a maximum of maybe 2 different types of fonts, pushing it 3. However, I would recommend sticking with 2, because then it will actually it won't look good if you have too many fonts, too many colors. So what you want to stick with is a maximum of 2 fonts and a maximum of, hard to say about colors, maybe 3 to 4 colors max, up to 5 max. As you can see, if we take my logo, so we go to come on, the internet is so slow. Okay, Adobe Color Picker. Go into Adobe. We upload the image. It will select 5 different colors. So we go to Adobe Color Wheel. Okay, and then we want to find my logo. Come on. Okay, we're in. And come on. Okay, there we go. We go to extract theme. So what it's going to do, it's going to ask for a photo. We go to where did I save that photo now? Let's go and take this. Go to desktop. Go to desktop. And we're going to go into, which one was it now? Ah, logo, Blue Eyes. Okay. Take that here. Okay, so we take that image and we drag it into here. Okay, there we go. That's the logo. Now it gives you 5 different colors to choose from. That is my theme. That's what I'm going to be working with for the website that I'm building myself. So that is the theme that I'm going to be working with. That's all the colors. So it depends on what kind of background you want as well. If you want it to be an image background, then it's got to fit with your website. If it's a color background, then you're going to have to kind of figure out what color you want where, for instance, if you have this as your background color, then you're gonna want to have maybe something like this as your text, something like this for your header and your footer, and then you've got 2 extra colors you can play around with. But yeah, these, choose 5 colors, and it's up to you how you use them or where you use them. So let's go back to Jumbotron. Now, I think I am going to go with I'm going to go with a Jumbotron. Yes, I think I'm going to go with a Jumbotron. So let's go back into here. We're going to do a Jumbotron. Jumbotron. So we move it close, but not too close. And that is what people are going to see when they first come into your website, is the picture, or whatever, the picture and the team's name or whatever you want to put into there. So that is what they're going to see when they come into your website. Let's make this black, and let's make this white, black and white, just so I can see what I'm doing. And then we're going to want, what are we having on here? We're going to have about us and then team picture. Okay, so maybe what you can do is you can have, let's move this to here so I can see it. Maybe what we can have is we can have the team picture as the Jumbotron. No, we could. Okay, but then it still leaves a lot of space left open. So we're gonna have the about us here. Okay, let's put about us there. There. Okay. Come on. Okay, so that's the Jumbotron. So we're gonna put a picture of the team. So let's. I think that's. Actually, I don't know. I feel like we should put the picture of the team at the bottom. Picture of the team at the bottom, and have something of maybe a picture of a game or something up there. So let's move this up. Move this up. Okay, so we're going to. And the question is, are we going to have a logo or? No, I don't think I'm going to put a logo in that on the side there. So it's just going to be pure links. That is the question, isn't it? What to put in there. And we're gonna have white. Cool. You should not be like, why are you no, I don't want to rotate the damn thing. Thank you. Sorry, I just need to plug in my other device here before it goes off. Cool. So maybe we have the name of the website here. Okay, let's take that down. We have the name of the website there. Cool. That's going to be the name. I want to go in here. It's not. Okay, it is. Okay, so we got the nav bar, we've got Jumbotron, and then we've got the About Us section, which I'm going to add this to. Oh, that is actually a good idea. So we actually add the team photo, then we add the about us. So we have something in the jumbotron to draw a person in, and then we have the picture of the team here, and then we have the about us. Okay, so that is actually, yes, I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. And what is it with you and wanting to change what I want to do? Okay, we go here. Okay, so that will be the picture. Sorry, I've only got a small canvas to work from, so this is really going to get tight very quickly. Okay, so we're going to do that. We want to do it as well as we want to do that. Okay, no. Connect to the border. Thank you. And now we want to move this up a bit. No, not overtaking the thing. Thank you. We had the center. Where was the center? There. So we want to move that up a bit as well. We want to move this up as well. Cool. And now we've got space for another box. So put this in. Put this in like this. And now we've got the about us. Okay, so we'll know what this is. This is the picture of the team picture, and then this is the about us, the box for about us. This is where people who typing will go. So we go black and white, black and white. Yes. Okay. And now what we want to do is I won't be able to put the law on in the chest here. So this will be, and we'll have it 7. Don't worry, that will resize itself. There we go. There we go. So this will be the site's name. So there, and we're gonna want to have it. We want to have there. So by name. Cool. And this is going to be the Jumbotron. Are you guys following so far? I hope so. I hope I'm explaining it well for you guys. I'm not sure. I've never done this before, so well, I've live streamed before, but I've never had to explain something like this before on a live stream. So I actually hope that I'm explaining it right and properly. So yeah. If I'm going a bit too fast, please tell me. If I'm doing, just tell me. So this is going to be photo. Okay, we're going to want to do photo. Do that. Do that. Actually, that's a bitmap. No, that's not it. Okay, I thought there would be. Cool. Then we know what that is. That will be text. Too small. Make it a bit bigger. Okay. Text. So there we go. We've got the front page. Now we wanted home. Oh, sorry, it's on this page, it's on this screen. So we want home, video clips, the group, merch, and contact. Okay. So let's do this. I only want to copy the rectangle though. Control A, Control V. We'll change the names Nana. Cool. Control V. And that is a nifty trick I've learned over the past few years. Okay. Almost there. Cool. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Sweet. We got all 5. What's going on? Okay, so now we're going to change these labels. We're going to change them to home. And we're going to change this one to video clip. That should actually go up a bit more. Sorry, when you're doing things like this, it's best to do them properly before you actually get into real coding. Basically what this is, it's just a guideline. It's just a guideline of what you want the site to look like. Whilst when you're busy doing the site, of course things will change as you do it, and you've got to take into account of that as well. So what we do here now might not look like what we do when we start coding the project. So hopefully that will. So don't know. What? And now we've reached the dots, so I have to kind of look over to the other screen. Merch, and then contact. Now if I have misspelled things, trust me, I will be looking them up and spelling them properly. Contact. Cool. Now what we want to do is we want to make these things a bit smaller. And then we want to bring this one across. Okay, this one's going to have to stay the size it is because it's got quite a bit of writing on it. Can we maybe make it? Oh yes we can. Okay. So this, come on. Okay, we're almost there. So the next page we're going to be doing is the video clips. Okay, so we're going to be doing the video clips next. I don't know what we're going to do for that. I'm just going to have to wing it. Never made a wireframe with videos. Come on. Sorry, computer is slow as anything. However, we're getting there, slowly but surely. Okay, cool. And we take this over a bit more. And we want to take this over a bit more as well. Cool. I think we've got it in space. And do the red dots again. I don't want the red dots. I just want the blue ones. Thank you. Is it there? Down. Okay. Now what we do is we go into here. Okay, wrong thing. Okay, go into here. Now we're going to make this a child of gamer's site. And this is going to be vid. I'm going to do it vid for short. Okay, vid. And I'm going to go back here. And I'm going to do is I'm actually going to select this whole bar. Okay, it's selected, yes it has. Then we're going to group these. Where is group? Okay. Problem. Okay, let's take this. Come on, zoom out, please. Yeah. No, I don't want that move. Okay. Damn, where is the grouping button? Okay, never mind, let's just copy this whole thing. Copy. And we're going into vid and we're going to paste it. Okay. Okay, that didn't work as I planned. Control Z. Okay. Come on. Okay, let's go back. Control. And we are there. Okay, here we go. Group. Cool. Now we can do it. Cool. Now we can paste that. It'll be easier to do this now. Now we can just do that. And we can get it into place. Now, you get clients who want custom images and things made. So there's, for web designers, we can also we can suggest people to to make certain pictures or logos that they want made. So we normally have a repertoire of, not a repertoire, quite a big list of graphic designers. Unfortunately for me, I don't know that many, so we are going to be going to something called Pixabay. So for most of our images. Okay, so what are we doing? Videos on this one. Okay, let's use this one this time. This is video. Sorry, I've missed somebody. Hi, Zane. Sorry. I've been so focused on this, I have not actually been paying attention to the chat at all. I'm so sorry. If you're still in the chat, that is. Thanks for stopping by though. So we've got that, and that. Now we're gonna have this. Come on. Okay, so it depends on how big the page is going to be and how many videos you want to put on the page. Now remember, videos also take quite a while to load, so the best thing you could do is you could link it to whatever page that contains the videos. So that's one thing you could do to save it from having to load all of those videos at once. It would be preferable to link it to either YouTube where the video actually is, or where the video where you have uploaded the video to. If you haven't uploaded to any of those sites like YouTube and things like that, then yeah, it will take quite a while for the videos page to load in completely. Come on. I hate having to work with my arrow buttons, but it has to be done. Okay. Let's copy this. Copy, paste. Move these guys down a bit. So these are going to be the videos. Are we going? So, oh, one thing I am missing. Maybe you can put that on the contact page though. The upload days, the days you stream, all of those things. Oh, no. We can make another page if we need to. Okay, so let's get let's get a triangle, but there's none that actually looks like a play button. Basic widget. Nope. No, it's not a editor. No, that's not it either. Shall we put a separator in between these two? No, I think actually separator, if we're gonna have a separator, we'll have the separator here for the next video. So let's put a separator there. So with each groups of videos, we'll have a separator in between. By the way, guys, if you want to have some input in here, please be my guest. Let's now make a new page, because the next page we're making is the group. So the group. We add another page. Gamers site, yes, and then we want to call the group. Cool. Okay, same thing. Let's go back here. Let's take this, copy, and paste. Thank you, my keys are actually working properly this time. Okay, so what we want to do is exactly what I said I was going to do. We're going to do this. So we're going to have a picture of the person, like that. And we're going to have short little piece underneath. A short little piece underneath saying his name and saying click here for more info. So, or press here for more info. This. Why is that still that? Yes, still that. And let's change that to white. Okay, black. And white. So we want to do this, we want to do this. And then we want to group these two images. And then we want to go V. Alright, nice, then copy it. That's a mistake. V, Control V. Okay, so we got 1, now we've got 2 and 3. And there's the third one. Cool. And we're gonna have 5. We're gonna have 5. So let's go. We're gonna have 5. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna have 5. We have the 5. Picture, 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 picture. Name, 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 name. And the links to the different pages that we're gonna make for them. So that's 5 extra pages. That's 5 extra pages we have to make. For those pages, you could use neutral colors or colors that represent that the person that you are, the person, yeah, that particular person. Okay, so let's do this and this. We're gonna have this as merge and group because we're gonna do the same thing. Duplicate. We're gonna rename this. Edit page mode. Oh, I didn't even know that existed. Okay. It looks like you can't do that. Okay, let's add the last page, which is contact. Okay, so now we're going to do the contact. So go back, go here, copy, and paste. By the way, I'm doing something totally wrong here, and that is not saving my progress. I have had situations where my PC has just, my laptop has just given out on me completely, and yeah, let's just say I've lost all my work, both with HTML work and with wireframes. So I really don't want to lose this work, so I better turn this off, otherwise someone is going to try and call me, which I'm not happy about. So let's do this. Let's save. My sound still good for you people? Still good? Okay. Now I'm not going to do that in there. I am going to go to where the file actually is, which is in my website. Gaming template. I'm going to save this as wireframe. Now set contact page. Now this is a tricky one because we want to do this and how big are we gonna want this? We're gonna put this almost here because I want to add information in the bottom. Okay, let's go Control C, Control V. Okay, so this is going to be the links, and this is going to be the email address. Okay. Then we go here, we go there. Okay. Go here, there, here, there, go here, and that. Cool. So we're gonna have links on this side, on the right hand side, and the email address on the left. Okay, then what I want to do is I want to have one spare one at the bottom here. Now what this one's going to do, this one is going to say your uploads, when they upload, when they stream on whatever platform they stream on. I don't know all the platforms, I only know Twitch and YouTube, but yeah, so let's do this, and this. As you can see, it's quite repetitive, but once you get into it, it goes fast, and if you're listening to music. So this is going to be email, this is going to be links, link this, links, and then what would you call that? Okay. Upload and time and day. I think that's quite explanatory. Okay, so now that we've got some of the wireframe up, what we're going to do now is we're going to go into this, and we're going to make a few folders for the different for the different content that is used. So the first one's going to be CSS. CSS is the design, the layout of how do I say this? It gives the stuff color. It gives the stuff its color and its font, things like that. So you'll see I'm explaining it very badly. Then we want images, a folder called images. Folder, images. We got another folder called PHP. Then we want another one called JavaScript. It'll be JS. Cool. And now what we want to do is we want to open up our editor. I use Microsoft Web Expression 4. I would like to use Atom, but unfortunately my laptop won't support Atom at the present point in time. Expression Web 4. But this program is quite good. I must admit it's quite good. Okay. Come on. Sorry, it does take a while to open. You should see on the bottom here how many programs I actually do have open at the moment. I do need all of them though. Skip this one. Quite irritating. Are you going to skip? Yes, you are. So, how are we all doing? We all keeping up? You want me to slow down a bit? You want me to explain some other stuff in more detail, or the stuff that we've just done with the wireframe? Do you want me to explain that in more detail? If so, please let me know, and I will try my best to answer most of the questions that you guys might have. So yeah, come on. There we go. Web Expression 4 is open. Hang on. My OBS has gone missing. Ah, there we go. Ah, yeah, we're in. So we've got that. Cool. We want to have that open. No, I don't want it open there. Thank you very much. I want it open. Yeah. Open here. Put that on this side. Now we go into our actual program. Okay, we've got 5 pages. Actually, that's 10. So 10 pages. Plus the error page. Okay, that's 11 pages at the moment. HTML. So I don't know what I want to start with first. Do we want to start with the home page, the error page, or do we want to go here quick. I want to also open CSS. CSS, cool. Now, what you want to do is I want to do this. Sorry, not that. From here. Okay, cool. And this is in one as well. Cool. this out completely, and we're going to take this out completely. Sweet. Now we've got a blank canvas, and we want to then save. Come on. Okay, so when this thing decides it wants to save, there we go. And we go gaming template. Okay, so this is going to be the home page or index. Index page. Okay. Oh, not valid. Okay, then I'll just say home. Then we want this named. No. Oh, I thought we shouldn't do saying something else. CSS. And we go home. CSS. Cool. Now we've got both of them. Now what we also want to do is we want to start up here. We want to have we've got something here. We've got this is what I want. This is exactly what I want. Control C. There you go. I wonder if I now messed this up. I messed it up. Okay. Right, that was a plus, not equals. Okay, so we got that link. That link is going to be at the end of the body, which is the JavaScript, which I connect to jQuery. This one, jQuery. Control C. That in one. Control V. You put your jQuery above any other script that you might have, because that is the library of JavaScript. That is JavaScript library. And then we want the Bootstrap script. Cool. And we're going to copy that, and then we're going to paste that in there. Okay. Now we want to link our CSS. So we say link rel. Rel is relationship. Style. Why do this? Why? That's because I put like, not link. Rel. And we want style sheet. Style sheet. And we want href. Href is will get your will link to whatever you want to link to. CSS. So now we've linked our CSS. And now we need is all the meta tags, all the other things. So we want to go above that, and we want meta. Wait, what? Name. Description. Then we want to go. Oh no, that is not what I want. Sorry. I am actually been a while since I actually did the meta part, so I actually am looking at some other of my previous work. Meta name is keywords. Okay, so what keywords are is, if you're familiar with Twitter and Instagram, it's all those @ signs, but instead of being an @ it's just keywords. That when you search on the internet certain keywords, that's when certain websites pop up on Google. The more that those keywords are searched, how can I explain it? It bumps up certain websites up on Google's algorithms. So what you want to do is you want to be on the first page of Google. If you are anywhere from the second page onwards, they like to say is those are the dead pages. No one goes there. Apparently. So they say, actually. Okay, so keywords. Content. We'll get back to the keywords and the content now. Then we have, of course, the meta name. How do you spell this one? The author, so the person who actually made the website, and the content will be my name. Wolf's Web. And there we go, that should be that. And now, if I am correct, I'm missing one. And that is right, I am. I'm actually missing two, which is both the viewport and the shortcut icon. The shortcut icon is the little icon that shows up on this. This is the shortcut icon. These are. Okay, so that's what we're missing as well. Okay, so we want to do meta name is view. Spelled it correctly? Yeah. Viewport. And then we want its content. Content is going to be width equals device Sorry, I have to spell this stuff properly, otherwise it's not gonna work. Password. And then we have the initial. Yo, what's going on here? Yeah, that's what. You see? Initial scale is equal to 1. And then we have that. Cool. Sorry, I have to spell the stuff properly and I have to double check my things, otherwise when it comes to it actually working, it actually won't. It will come back with problems and I really don't want that to happen. And what is the site? Gamers site. Cool. Then what we want is what? Oh, right, it's not that. Then we want to come here and we want this. I'll show you now. That's what we want. So what that does is I'll show you now. We actually get things started. Okay. Cool. And now we go into body, and this is where the fun begins. This is where all the coding begins. So let me just double check that I've got everything. Okay. Now it is coding. I had to test a lot of HTML yesterday to actually get my navigational bar to actually work properly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one that I did yesterday, which is actually for my video. I started doing it for my video. So we're gonna take this nav bar and we are going to copy it. We're going to paste it, but we're also going to change it up. Okay, this is what happens when you copy and paste things. Everything gets out of place. You don't want it to. And you got, that has to come out one, and that has to go in and come out. Go in. Why? Cool. Okay, I need to change my Twitch's mute button. Okay, we go here. What a UL is an unordered list. So there's two types of lists. There's an unordered list and there's an ordered list. For nav bars, the most popular one is the unordered list. There's your okay, so that goes in one more. One comes there. One comes there. This one comes here. So this is what it actually looks like when you put the code properly. You'll actually, it will be much easier if you've got a mistake anywhere to find the mistake. Okay, so you take that there. Cool. form, input, button, form. Now there's a problem here. Oh no, there's not. We want to put this there. And with the nav right there. Okay, so that's what that looks like now. Much better. Now that the code is all neatly done. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We are. Okay, let's first check and see if this has actually worked. So it will open it in Chrome. Actually, I should get into Chrome. There we go. Set it to your. Go to the nav bar. Okay. Now, actually, I'm gonna take this out. I meant to take it out yesterday. So we need to take the search bar out. That is that. We take the form out. Okay. Form's out. Okay. Nav link disabled. No, we want that enabled. Cool. Got that enabled. Now we're going to make another. We need 5 of these. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, so we need another 2, 4, and 4 and 5. Cool. So we've got home, we've got link. So we want a pencil. So here. You guys still keeping up? I hope. I hope I'm not going too fast. Okay. I'm going to move this to my other screen. Cool. Okay. Site name, that will be gamers. I'm going to put a site. Then we're going to have home, yes, that's right. Then we have a link. Okay, so home is going to be linked to, so we need a thing. So in here somewhere we're going to have put this ID home this. Oh no, sorry, no. I am being stupid because this I can just do this. Equal, pick a URL. No, that. No, thank you. And we go to that. Now it's linked to the home HTML. Okay, now we are doing home video script, and then we want the group. After the group we want want merge. Then after merge we want contact. Okay, now that we've got that, now we're going to go back to there and we're going to reload. And voila! We have the top navigational bar up and running. Now, I do not like it. Wait, let me just check something. Should, because just tested the heck out of this. Should indeed, if it goes smaller, bingo. And there we go. That is responsive, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, responsiveness. Cool. Now, what I want to do is, if we go into CSS, what are we gonna? This is fast as nav dot nav. So let's go here. I'm gonna take that all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to say dot nav. Background. So we're gonna choose a background color. Let's go for navy. If we will pick the navy. Navy. Okay. Now we go to the next line. Oh, sorry. Actually, that. Okay, if we go back here, hopefully, if I'm correct, this should change color, which it does not. Okay. It means I'm missing something. VG Live, Navbar Live. Okay, let's see if we can change the text then. No, sorry, it's called font family. Font. Font family. Let's go with let's see. Let's go Arial Black now. And the text keep on getting set. Text line text no, okay. That is font size. We want it to be, let's say 20 pixels. Yeah, now it's good. Oh. Why are you not doing it? Maybe if we close this. I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board. Okay. Come on, load. I don't know what's happening. Strange. Never done it to me before. Never. And now you won't even load. Come on. Okay, there we go. Is that smaller than it was? Okay. I think it actually is smaller than it was. Let's go back to CSS. Let's go font size. Let's put it up to 30. I want to see if it actually is. Where did that actually type in then? My numlocks. 30. Not 32, 30. Okay. Oh, yeah. Not doing it. Why? Why? That is really strange. Never happened to me before. Maybe I'm missing a code. Come on. Okay, maybe I should say nav bar, maybe. Dot nav bar. Maybe let's not put the dot. Let's go back into there. Come on. Nothing. Dot nav bar. Okay, there we go. That was the problem. You see, you have to go through various different types of. Okay, so let's take this down to 15, and then let's go here. Let's go background color, and the background color I want. Let's try the navy again, and let's do that. Now let's try. Okay, so the background color still won't do. The color still won't do. Okay. So then let's change it from light there. Nav bar light. Navigation bar light to dark. And from VG light to VG dark. Okay. So here and reload. What do you guys think? Should we stick with the light or shall we stick with the dark? I really don't know though. So video clip group. Let's see if we can change the color of the text. Check this out. No text declaration. Font. Wait, no. Font. Ah, no, you see, I've forgotten how to change the color of color. Pick. I want to see if this will work. Color blue. Do that. Control S. Okay. What is it then? Text. No. Okay. Where is it? Font weight, font float, no, font Yo, sorry guys, I'm back. Please forgive me. Yeah, I don't know. He had some stuff to do to take care of. Yeah. So where were we? We were busy with the font. Okay. For now though, let's take away the fonts. We will sort that out just now again. So let's quickly see what this looks like if we put it like that. Now I haven't, just in mind, I have not done this site before, so most people do a mock-up version before they do start. But however, I don't do that, so this is basically me doing it from scratch with you guys. I think we should keep it italic. Let's keep it italic and let's see what we can do. Next thing I want to do, we have Jumbotron. Okay. Shall we? So let's make the other pages so we can link the nav bar to the other pages. HTML. So we go again and we raise this, and then we erase this. Cool. Now we indent this, and we indent this. Okay. Then we do Control S. Save this page as, go back to gaming template. Save this as, which was the next one? Video. Clip. Yes, video clip done. Title. Video clip. Done. Okay. Confused. Cool. And we do that. That. Cool. And then we do the same thing with this. We indent. And we indent. And we sorry, we go Control S, Control S, and we say the group, and this is the group. Okay, so we close those two. Okay, and then we go back here. Group. You see how repetitive this is. Cool. And we indent. And indent. And this one's going to be called merch. Merch. Okay, and enter. And we do merch. And we control paste that. Close that page. And we have another HTML page. Okay, let's just do one click before we start the top bar. That. Then we have this. It goes down to there. And then we've got this that comes up here. Okay, and this is going to be the contact page. Contact. Yes. And then we are contact. And we have our 5 pages. Cool. Now we go here and we're going to link our 5 pages. Cool. Which one is this? Video clip. Video clip. Cool. Regroup equals merge and equals contact. Cool. And now what I want to do is we're going to test this page out. So we go here, we go load, we go video clip, takes us to video clip, takes the group, takes us to group, takes us to merge, takes us to merge, contact, takes us to contact, and bingo bango, we have connected all 5 of our pages. What we now need to do is we now need to take this bar and put it across the other page so that all of the pages look exactly like that. Okay, so first we want to do is we want to take all of this, we're going to copy it, and we're going to it. I'm going to open video clip, and we are going to paste that in there, and from there we are going to open group, we go down, we go up, we control V. Now the group has it. Save all pages, cool. And now we go to merch. No, I don't want to change merch's name. Merch. And we've got merch now. So then we go here, go down. I should have done that the other way around again. Okay, and then we go to contact. Contact, we go down, we go there, we go there. Yeah, cool. Now we've got all of those with that. Now we're going to do the same with the bottom piece. Or this piece, yeah. We're going to go Control C, and then we're going to take it to here. No, that's just HTML. I'm gonna take it here. We're gonna paste it here. I'm gonna take this down to there. Here. Do the exact same thing. Here as well, do the exact same thing. And now all 5 pages should theoretically have all of that. Now all we need to do is copy and paste the whole nav. Nav. Okay, stop rolling please. Thank you. And now we put the nav right here. Nav bar. So we got body. And this is going to link directly. No. What is happening here? What is happening here? Hey, I know. That should be there. Yeah, there we go. Fixed. Except all of this has to be indented one more time. Sorry. If I can get it to work. Indent you one more time, and bingo, got that. And now we go here, we go Control E. We'll just do this. We'll just do this. Well, that's what I say you must do, please. Okay, we'll go to the next one. So now you can see how repetitive it could get. I'm not going to sort that out just yet. E and bingo. Now, theoretically speaking, all pages should have that. Okay, so home, we're on home. Video clip, haha, we're on video clip. The group, we're on the group. Merch, we're on the merch. And contact page. Bingo! We've got everything we need right there. So that is that. That's a big thing done. However, now we've got each page to do. Not to mention we also need to have the font, and we have to find the colors. So we are far away from finished on this website. We've also got the footer to do. We've got the we finished with the header. I hope this is a static header, which means it stays at the top, even if you scroll it down the page. So let us make sure of that right now. Actually, make sure of that right now. Quickly check and see. Double check and see. header. Let's do that. No, I don't want that. Navbar, damn it. Okay, let's go. I know that I'm missing something. What am I missing? Never mind. What I want to do. Yes, navbar. Hover. Yes, navbar hover. Dot navbar hover. Doing it right? I'm thinking. Okay. What? Okay. I think it's A hover. Let me just double check. Nav CSS. Okay. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. What I care about is that that's what I care about. Just double checking some things. Please forgive me. Okay. I know that. For fly's sakes, man, I want the This is not CSS, this is HTML. Now can you please give me CSS? I need to double check something. Please. CSS, not HTML. Sorry. Nosy. CSS, not fucking. Sorry, excuse my language. I'm gonna have to search for it and then do it next time because not going to never cover. Okay, hang on, sorry guys, I really need to figure this out before I continue. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. Now I'm gonna have to do some investigation on this again. I can't believe I've forgotten that. But yeah, hang on, maybe not. I remember number 1 or number 2? No, I'm gonna have to. No, we'll have to go through it again. What were we doing? We were busy with that. Also, and I'm irritated at that song already. Okay, let's get onto the Jumbotron, shall we? Okay, Bootstrap. Let's go to Bootstrap 1, because Bootstrap 1 is... Are you guys still with me? Are you guys okay? If not, just please tell me if I need to slow down a bit, or if I need to pick up a bit of speed. Yeah, please say. Okay. Excuse me for a second. Let me just do this. Sorry about that. Needed to happen. Jumbotron. Cool. Now we're going for Jumbotron. Yes. Bootstrap. I don't know who designed Bootstrap, but congratulations to them. You really have done awesome. Okay, what do we want? We want a fixed Jumbotron, a fluid Jumbotron. I don't want there to be a button though. So we're just going to do a normal Jumbotron like this. This is a modified Jumbotron that occupies the entire horizontal space of its parent. Okay. If you take the stuff out of this one, I'm going to take this, copy, and we're going to here, and everything's slowing down. Take that back one, and then up one, eat. And now I want to go there and paste that like that. And now we go that, and we are going to put it there. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this. That. Okay, let's do this quick. I want to see this. No. Control Z. Control S. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's go to home. Strange. Why did it not? Oh, yes, sorry. That is going to be better. Firstly, we have a Jumbotron. There we go. That's our Jumbotron. Okay, now we're going to put a background image in there later. Here's the Allo world. Okay, so that's our Jumbotron. After that, we are having the dialogue of the about us. So that's going to be page 1 about us. Okay, then actually let's put it in div. We're gonna wrap this in the divider. Cut and paste. And then we're gonna add an image. IMG. Okay. Excuse me, I've got to do something quick. I'll be right back. Sorry, we're back. However, we are going to be still about an hour. Okay, so we've got our Jumbotron and we've got about us, we've got the picture, and now we're going to we're gonna put should I put in another div container. These should actually stay in a div. So let's do this. We'll do another div. Div. Wow. Fluid. Okay. We've got sorry, I'm having. I really need to turn my notifications off next time. See, the about us, and then the about us will be in the middle. Maybe I should put the about us in the container as well. But not a third container. Let's do this. Do this. Let's do this. Just container. That go X and this containers padding dot so we do it like 5 pixels, and then the thickness of the padding. I'm gonna have to check that out again as well. The thickness, how to do the thickness of the padding. Okay, let's do this.
Anime thighs when she opened up, so wide I got a twinkle in my eye. Asian pussy is so tight, I just really wanna pipe. Oh my gosh, she got them big ass titties, she's only. Anime thighs when she opened up, so wide I got a twinkle in my eye. Asian pussy is so tight, I just really wanna pipe. Oh my gosh, she got them big ass titties, she's only. Hey, bitch, I'm about to fuck this cutie, so I whip out my katana and I knock this little bitch out with just one hit like I'm Saitama. Why you act like you retarded, like little bitch, I don't want drama. I still hit when she says no, don't understand when she don't wanna. Ay, so.
Damn. Sorry, I'm just empty.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
Okay, cool.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Sorry, I can't hear it on my side.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges
Okay, let's double check, triple check, quadruple check before. Oh. Oh no, wrong place. You can go into. Come on, come on, come on. Wrong place, sorry. By the way, guys, when do you want me to stream this again? Because I'm thinking maybe Wednesday, maybe again. I would say tomorrow, but there are people here tomorrow, so, and I need to get my video up for YouTube, so I'm still busy recording that actually. So that I need to finish either today or tomorrow, so it can be rendered and put up maybe hopefully on Wednesday. Last rendering took about 8 hours to render one video, so excuse me, I'm very thirsty. Okay, but mine's not. Okay, that's why. Okay, take this. Let's go again. Let's do 15, maybe it'll be a bit too much. Nice. Top 15 pixels. Padding left 15. Oh, solid. Solid. Hopefully I'm right, but I hope I'm not. I keep on doing the same thing. Right. 15. Solid. Control S. Okay. I don't know, I'm really. Okay, let's check this out. It hasn't worked. Yeah. Yes, I know, I want the container, but I also want the thickness of the containers, please. It's gonna take a while to load. Come on. problem? Wait for it to open. Come on. You guys still keeping up? I hope you guys are doing well over there. For those of you who might have just tuned in, welcome. I'm busy building a gamer's website, a template at least, for I haven't got anybody who has paid me for anything. So this is just pure template. So we are looking now. Yes, okay, I've got containers. Okay. Okay. Use the dot container class to create a responsive fix with okay, nice. By using 15 pixels means adding a top padding of 16. I think I might have found my problem. Not padding, it's border. Nice, nice. Do a thick border. Thick. Black. Solid border of 15 pixels. Let's see if this will do it. Wrong side. Sorry. Okay. And nothing. Why am I not surprised? Okay, no wonder. Forgive me, forgive me, forgive me. Okay, let's. We're gonna go primary. What? Order. E3, my 3. E3. Let's container, then a small, medium, and large, and extra large. Okay, I don't want a large or an extra large container. So for a normal container. What is E3 though? Okay, let's try. I actually like this, to be honest. Why do I like it though? We can come back to this. Let's just copy this. Let's put this in here. Like that. Okay. Ha! Okay, we got it. Now we have to line text to the center. So yeah. I wonder if we can do the container. So we got container, we got text, line, center. Okay. And we go like that. Or this. Oh no, not white. And why is that bracket not closed? Okay, we go back to our home page. We go home. Bingo! Let's go to... Let's see if it actually changed the color of the text. Pressing the reload button. And no, it doesn't. Okay. We'll come back to that. Okay. Let's take that off now. Alright, this one. Thank you. Okay. One. Okay. So that container fluid. P.3. Let's actually be in there. NY 3. Alright, M slash Y slash 3 border. Good. Dark border. Control S. Let's go find some Lorem Ipsum. Yeah, Lorem Ipsum. I just want Lorem Ipsum. I don't want to go through all the other stuff. Give me Lorem Ipsum, please. Enough photos. Go and slide. Yeah. Perfect. Wikipedia has some Lorem Ipsum. I don't have to go to generate stuff. on, come on. Okay, I'm gonna have to do something after.
I used to dream about money, about a big house.
That's the generator.
Your touch of fire
Don't
when
like
you
into
love
those
me.
generators, man.
Bulletproof, yeah, all I want is you. We
I don't know
are
what.
all the same. Fame,
Okay,
attention,
let's see.
why do we care?
Ah, here we go.
What is it all worth? We are all the same. We want to be loved, but that is
Aha,
not the
thank
same as
you.
being loved by you. We are all the same. We want to be loved, but that is not the same as when I'm.
See, okay, now we can go back into here. Right here. And we go here.
I used to dream about a cruiser that drove against the wind, but all I want is you.
Cool,
I
cool,
know that
cool.
fire when you touch me, my vision gets so dimmed. Yeah, all I want is you. We are all the same. Fame, attention,
Do, 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 do.
why do we care? What is it all worth? What is it all worth? We are all the same. We want to be loved, but that is not the same as being.
And we're going down here.
We are all the same. We want to be loved, but that is not the same as when I'm loved
Okay.
by you.
And then the back one, and then the back one.
What is it all worth? We are all the same. We want to be
Bam.
but that is not the same as being.
Bam. Okay. Bam. Cool. Now we got the Lauren Epson in. Now we save. Now we go here. Now we generate. Okay, but now our border hasn't shown up. Maybe because it's not a solid. Maybe because the container is fluid. Let's take the fluid out. Now let's go back in. No, thank you. Just go away. Let's reload the page. No, thank you. Can just leave. That's good. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Order. Okay. There we go. Thing is, why isn't it doesn't know what to go dark? Why do you not want to have a dark border? Okay, border. Dark. Okay. Okay, reload. See, now it takes the border away. Okay. I wonder if we can do this then. Or go back to here. Let's go back to Bootstrap. Okay. Bootstrap, come on. Open up, open up. Open up, open up, open up, open up. Yeah, it gets irritating sometimes. Why the hell did that just happen? Sorry, I need my people to slow down on tremendous. Why? What happened? Wow. Okay. I seriously need to change that on Discord. Okay. Background dog. Text white.
Whoa. Fucking model hoes wearing $1,000 clothes, sleeping in my bed with bitches that are.
And these things are for streams, and they. I'm gonna check something here. Okay, confusing. This should no. let's keep the border like that for now. I want to do some investigation on that again. Wrong page. Now we do this. Okay, so now we need a photo. So we are going to exit out of that. Exit out of that. And here. So let's go to Pixabay. Now don't forget these are going to be placeholder images. So the one with the team I'm going to do. Let's see. What are we gonna do for one with the team? Pixabay. Okay. And now we want this out. Okay. Now we want see if we can get something like this. We could always have that as a group picture. That'd be as funny as anything. Come on. Man alive, that would be funny. Come on. I like them. I'm going to have to use a photo of mine, aren't I? Good. Okay. Let's choose. That could be a possibility. Mainly gold though. Yeah, maybe that one. By the way, I've got nothing against having an all girl photo. Are there all girl teams out there for esports and things like that? I do not know. I think I'm going to go with. I think I'm going to go with this one. It's a group photo. Okay. Download that. Pixel 9148. Thank you for your image. Okay. I want to get one more just so I can see it. Just so we can maybe I should just use that. It was a good picture. You can always change it later. Okay. Okay, let's see. Maybe there's something else here. Oh, those are the only two pictures that will be worth it. Okay, I'd be thinking... No, not that one. Okay. Let's stick with those. I think we're gonna... let's go to the downloads folder. And downloads. Now I'm not sure what we're going to do for the logo and things like that. Sorry, I'm like very thirsty here. Take these two photos across. We're going to put them in our file. Remember our images file that we made at the very beginning? They're going to go in there. Come on. Okay. Cut. And then let's go. Yeah. Alright, nice, wrong website. And now we're going back. We're gonna go to scanning template. And we're gonna go to images. And this is where the images are going to go. Sorry, I'm looking for other music. See what this is like. Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to go here, we go here, we go there, and like that. I think we're going to take a picture of the girls. And we are going to okay, take a picture of the girls. There's that. And let's go into that. Reload. Yeah, we're going to have to cut this image down a bit. We're going to have to cut this image down a bit. So what are we going to... Don't want to... okay. So, then we're going to need a background image for the Jumbotron. So let's go to
I can.
this.
With Activate by ABSA, I can get insurance cover online in less than 5 minutes and get up to 40% of my premiums back every month for driving well. I can download the Activate app, which helps me monitor my driving. And it has an emergency assist button, should I ever need it.
To get Activate today, go to absa.co.za. We do more so you can. That's Africanacity. Activate by ABSA is a product of ABSA Insurance Company and authorized FSP. T's and C's apply.
Man, life's been so crazy, man. Wow.
Okay.
We're really out here, dude. You know, at first, I thought
Background
I had
image.
be the next somebody, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, let's try the other photo.
This won't be the first me.
But we are going to change that photo up. I want to change it to something more.
Obsessed with the paper like Dwight on a flight last night. Now I'm back feeling right. I'm a nice guy.
No.
I don't
Okay, so we are selecting background image from gaming template from images. Let's do that one for now. And then we're going to change it up. You could add a photo to Jumbotrons. No, you could add photos to Jumbotrons. I usually now have to find out again how to do that. I did it a few days ago. Adding PG Jumbo. I think I've misspelled it as well, which is not going to help my situation at all. Yes, that, you see, I did misspell it. I did misspell it. That's why we go here and we copy that name and we paste it. Okay. Still nothing. Okay. Sponsor Bootstrap Jumbotron background. Hang on. Pause you. Of course, Jumbo Stone, movie style, okay, background image, okay, so that's what I did wrong. Okay, okay. Oh, lag, lag. Background image, UFO. Jumbotron, background image, size, cover. That's exactly what I have. Set the background size. Let's play ball. Okay, background size. Size. What? Not telling me that's wrong, is it? Okay, cover. Let's see if it works. Oh, it did work. Okay, I'm just gonna have to get a smaller image. But why is Jumbotron so small though? Size of the Jumbotron. I need to make this Jumbotron a bit bigger. Let's go. Okay, let's see what this one has. Jumbotron. Let's see. Increase height of bootstrap Jumbotron. Let's go to Greppa. I love Greppa. Everything that you need right there. Okay. Background. Yeah. I don't want to open a. Oh, I don't have to. Yeah, background URL, no repeat, center, background size, cover, padding 20, padding 20, and top, padding bottom 20. That's not increasing the size though. That's however giving it. He's giving it a bit of a space between everything else. Yeah. I'm going to continue doing that, aren't I? Yes, I am. Adding what? Thank you. 15 pixels. Okay. What the? Oh, am I doing this? Oh, maybe that's why. I'm doing pixels. Let's go up by 5%. 5. Where's the percent on now? Just added. Thank you. Now let's. Okay. Increase that size. Yes, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Now, how am I gonna decrease the image? I'm gonna decrease it. Dot image. IMG. Okay. Okay, that doesn't work. We'll sort that image out. We will sort that image out. Okay, you know what we could do? Yeah. We could, in fact, do div class. What is the class again? I'm not quite sure. Actually got it here. Back to it. Good. That's the one. And now we want to control C. No, no control C. Control X. That cuts it and that pastes it. Okay, so now we want to move that in one. Now we want to do another one. There it is. Now we want to block this, so we're gonna go 12 4 8 12. So 4 on this side, 4 in the middle, 4 on cool. So class. No, sorry. Yes, it is class. Span 4, not 5, 4. Okay, now we close this, we should do that. Okay. Let's do this actually. Copy this. And actually do it here. Here. And copy this. Copy. And paste this here, this over there, denting, and we have, hopefully this works, let's do the page. And it did not. No, that's why. Oh, okay. Cool. Need to first work on that before going. Okay, so that still didn't work, so let's go into here. I think I know why. Let's go continue good. Let's go down. Class class span 12. Do that, and let's go Control X, and we Control C, and then do this. Reset, bam, and go. Oh, wrong one. Bam. That's fine. Our number features. Okay, let's close all of these pages because something tells me I'm gonna have to reload that damn thing. It's probably stuck. Okay, it's almost 1 o'clock my time. Why aren't you opening up in the internet? Come on. Are we all still good? How are we doing? If you're still here, thanks for joining me today. We've got this one thing that we're doing right now, and then I think I'm gonna call it that for the day anyway. And it is not doing it. Why you do this to me? I have to look at this again. The one div that's proposing div close. Okay, so we've got div goes there, that div goes there, this goes here, this goes here, this goes here, this goes here, that goes there, that goes there. Oh, good. Right. Cut that up. And R. S. Yeah. Well, I think we'll have to continue this next time, and we'll pick it up from where we've stopped, and we'll talk about fonts and colors and hopefully find a better picture, and hopefully we'll be able to sort this image out. Hang on, maybe I can do, let's see what this looks like when we actually draw it to up me. See, this picture is gonna be this picture is the problem. Picture is way too big. So we're gonna have to cut it down. And then we're gonna change the Jumbotron's picture as well. But yeah, we cut this picture down to size because apparently this is not doing it at the moment. It is really infuriating because it's worked before. Yeah. Okay. So we'll continue next time with most of the stuff that we have. We still have to do the video clips. Still got the group merch and contact. So we've still got a way to go with this. So we will continue next time. However, I think I will be live streaming again on Wednesday. For today and tomorrow though, I have to finish the clip for YouTube. So until then, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you a fair day. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world, and we'll see you on Wednesday to continue this little experiment of ours. Just everything. Make sure that everything is saved. Everything's saved. Yes, it is. Yeah, and then next time we'll also find more images, and we'll also find not only the images but the font and the colors. So yeah, just want to say thanks for joining me today. We'll probably do it around about the same time on Wednesday. What was the time? We started at 3.5 hours, so we started about 9:30. Yeah, we started about 9:30 or 8:30. Yeah, 8:30. Sorry, somewhere around there. But we will definitely do it again. And why are you saying that? But thank you for joining me, ladies and gentlemen. It was really nice having you guys in the audience. Let's just save this one and exit that one, and we can say hello to our wireframe one last time if it will come. Wireframe, you go back there. So that's our wireframe again, and yeah, right now we're struggling with the picture, but hopefully all of that will be sorted out by the next time, or well, next time we're streaming. So until then, ladies and gentlemen, have a good one. Chris out.